This is a $35 owl that makes just the same noise when you click it on the wing. I can say one thing, this battery does last. It's at least 2 years old and the owl's still ticking. It doesn't look as fantastic as the picture over here. You can see, compare the two. Maybe it's because I squished him too much, but see, you can rotate his head. So they'll stick inside here that lets you rotate the head, and it rotates. You can do it like a monster where it's backwards, like this. And then press this. Unfortunately, it seems like there's only one sound. And inside you can't really control the wings. So this is a nice addition to those who are Harry Potter toy collectors. But in terms of if you want something just to play with, my kids don't play with this too much. Say goodbye.